Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up abandoned cart automation here in Omnisend. All right, as you can see here, by default, when you're trying to build an automation, you'll have abandoned cart available in here. You can just easily customize the workflow. Now, if you want to create your own from scratch, you can just click on create from scratch right here. Okay, for example, the template is looking like this. So they got a trigger. So first up, the trigger is added product to cart. Okay, now the trigger filters right here, it says trigger an activity time and start the workflow after added product to cart wasn't updated for maybe an hour. Okay, and of course you will need to add an exit condition. Okay, as you can see here, condition 1, placed order or started checkout but doesn't finish the checkout. Okay, so once that's done, if all these conditions have been met, okay, like they placed order again and started a checkout, but in 1 hour you didn't get any inputs, okay, or basically they're inactive. But what you'll do is just go ahead and create an email or maybe a text if you want to. Okay, so the next thing in the workflow is to send a email or text. Okay, even push notifications, you can go ahead and choose that as well. So let's go ahead and click this one. As you can see here we have the subject line, the pre-header, sender's name, of course, it's you. And then once that's done, just hit on update. Then it says here, wait for 11 hours. So after 11 hours, they received the message, they checked it out. And then after 11 hours, if you want to, you could go ahead and continue right here and add in your cart misses you. And after 12 hours, don't miss out 15% like so. If not, you go ahead and delete these excess workflow right here or automation. Okay, delete, just this one. All right, that's basically how you do it. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and copy my abandoned cart workflow right here. But the ones from Omnisend is efficient, okay? As you can see here, I've used split with conditions. And first up, the trigger is add an item to the cart, okay? Then we split, all right? And the rules right here, if they haven't gotten to the checkout URL, okay? That means if yes, wait for 1 hour and then send this message, okay? If not, if they have successfully checked out, well, just exit. That's it. That is how you set up abandoned cart automation here in Omnisend. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.